I am going to show you the best Pulsar 1200W carrying handle, PG1202's gas-powered portable generator. Let's start. 1200 peak watts, 900 running watts of power. The single-cylinder, two-stroke engine with recoil start and durable, compact design are perfect for camping and other outdoor recreation. 1.1-gallon fuel tank gives you up to 5 hours of continuous operation at half load. 120V outlets and 12V DC output provide you with ample space for powering tools and other devices. Backed by a 1-year limited warranty. The PG1202's portable generator utilizes a 72cc, 2.2 HP engine to produce 1200 peak watts and provide you with enough power for those home D projects. The modest 1.1-gallon fuel tank gives you up to 8.5 hours of operation on a half load, and its compact 35 pounds design with carrying handle makes this generator the perfect companion on camping trips and other recreational outings. Complete with a recoil start and sporting two 120V AC outlets and 112V DC output, the PG1202's is the definition of convenience and portability. Compact and lightweight, easy to carry, and only 35 pounds, the PG1202's is perfect for taking with you anywhere. Outlets, two 120V AC outlets and 112V DC output give you the ability to charge and power multiple devices. 8.5 hours of operation. Enjoy up to 8.5 hours of continuous operation at half load on just 1.1 gallons of fuel.